Welcome to Tocilizumab Chronicles Beyond the Cytokine Storm, where we explore the science and stories behind this powerful medication shaping modern immunology. I'm your host, Dr. Shikha Agrawal, a molecular biologist fascinated by the molecular machinery of pathogens and their implications in disease management. In this very first episode on Introduction to Tocilizumab, we are joined by Prachi Virat, a master's in microbiology with a passion for the microbiome and bioinformatics, who plans to take that passion into a PhD journey. Hello, Prachi, and welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Dr. Shikha. I can't wait to unpack the story of Tocilizumab.
Let's start with the basics. Can you tell us a bit about tocilizumab's history and how it was developed?
Sure, Dr. Shikha, Tocilizumab is a humanized monoclonal antibody developed to target the interleukin 6 receptor, a key player in the body's inflammatory response. It was originally designed in the late 1990s by researchers at Shugai Pharmaceutical in Japan, in collaboration with Hoffmann La Roche to treat autoimmune diseases marked by excessive IL-6 activity. After a year of clinical development, it was first approved in Japan in 2005 for Castleman's disease, a rare disorder.
Well, did tocilizumab get approval for any other disease? If yes, then what was the significance of that approval?
Yes, definitely. Tocilizumab received FDA approval in the United States in 2010 for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis in adults who have had inadequate response to one or more TNF antagonistic therapies. This approval marked a significant milestone as tocilizumab became the first IL-6 inhibitor approved for rheumatoid arthritis.
What were some of the key benefits that tocilizumab offered for rheumatoid arthritis patients?
Clinical trials showed that tocilizumab, often used in combination with methotrexate or other disease-modifying anti-rheumatic diseases (DMARDs), significantly reduced symptoms, slowed disease progression, and improved quality of life for patients with moderate or severe rheumatoid arthritis.
That's great to hear. Before we dive deeper into tocilizumab's mechanism and applications, can you help our listeners by explaining what rheumatoid arthritis is and how it affects patients?
Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disorder that causes inflammation and pain in the joints, leading to damage and disability. It can also affect other tissues and organs such as lungs, heart, and eyes. Patients often experience symptoms like joint pain, stiffness, and swelling, which can impact their daily activities and overall well being.
Thank you, Prachi, for sharing your expertise with us today. And of course, a big thank you to all our listeners for tuning into Tocilizumab Chronicles Beyond the Cytokine Storm. If you enjoyed the episode, be sure to subscribe and share it with someone who loves science conversations as much as you do. Stay curious.